This is a Ted Nugent Band party. They claim I don't party. Well, I party with men and guns. Uncle Ted gets high on gunpowder. This is just a 9mm Uzi. People go, what do you need that for deer hunting? You don't. Well, what do you need an Uzi for? You don't. What do I need a Corvette for? What do I need 16 Birdlands for? It's the American dream. It's what I do. Wow. Well, watch where it goes now.
50.
Now go around this.
Safety on it.
That's the only country in Western God we allow to come to our parties. Ah! Let's run out.
Huh?
She out?
Seen her was like
Yeah. Good one, man. That was great shooting.
50 people over here, right?
Close.
My boys know how to party. It's an Uncle Ted barbecue bullet bingo bash.